convert percentages and decimals. So a percent means per 100. And there are two different methods to change a decimal to a percent. So the first one is we can go ahead and multiply by 100, or we can just move the decimal twice to the right. Now, example 1, what is 0.32 written as a percent? So if we were to do the first right method, let's get the calculators out. That's equal to 32. So we can call it method 1, or we can do method 2, right? And we just move the decimal to the right twice. 1, 2, the end there. So we get 32. So you can see how both methods get there. Now let's go ahead and look at the second example. Example 2, what is 1.47 written as a percent? Well, if we were just to move it to the right twice, we end at the 7, so we get 147, right? Or, right, this is the second method, or we can always multiply it by 100. And we get, right, the same answer. Now, let's go ahead and look at changing it from a percent to a decimal. So, there's two methods to change a percent to a decimal. We can go ahead and divide by 100, or we can move the decimal twice to the left. So what is 79% written as a decimal? Divide by 100. We get 0.79, right? That's our first method. Or we can just go ahead and look at 79, which that would be where the decimal is. And we're going to also divide this by 100%, so that's why we can get rid of the percentage, because they cancel out. I should have said that. So divide by 100%. Now, second method, right, we just move it twice to the left, and we end up 0.79. Now let's go ahead and look at the last example. So example 4, what is 13% written as a decimal? We have 13%, that's where the decimal is. We move it to the left twice, we end up right there. So we get 0.13 as our answer. And you can also just put 0.13. Or we can go ahead and divide by 100, and we'd get to the same answer. So two ways to get there, right? Two different methods, just moving the decimal to the left twice or dividing by 100, and it gets us to the same answer because they mean the same.